How to watch adult content on YouTube. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch adult content on YouTube. So let's get started. It is simple, a toggle button within the settings of YouTube. First of all, you're going to open your YouTube application and then you're going to click on profile here at the bottom right. So once you do so, you're going to click on settings here at the top right. And after that, you're going to click on the option that says general. And here you'll be able to see an option that says restricted mode. This helps to hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate, and this settings only applies to this app on this device. So what you're going to do is you'll be able to see that it is toggled on in blue color. So you're going to simply click on it and you can toggle it off. Now after this, you'll be able to watch adult content on YouTube. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.